Hey everyone, I'm Dayna Isom Johnson, Etsy's resident trend expert, and I am here to talk about fall because it's here, and for me that means it's time to bring in some warm and cozy touches into my home decor that really complement the season. And so today I'm going to show you around my pad because I'm going to share some of those quick and easy ways you can incorporate key autumn trends and seasonal must-haves into your home decor. All right, so 3 ways I love to update my home decor for the season without repainting the walls and replacing all of your furniture. Here it is. It's about florals, textures, and scents. And if you don't have the time or the inclination to do fresh flowers every week, that's okay, because a gorgeous dried flower bouquet can instantly update your space just for the season. Guess what makes it even better? It will last the whole season, and then you can bring it back next year if you store it carefully. Texture is always important to me, but especially in the autumn, it's such a rich and warm tactile season. So pottery is a wonderful way to bring that tactile into your decor because you can really get a sense of the artist's hand on the piece just by looking at it. And color-wise, I love to go with neutral tones because they complement more of a bold flower arrangement, and in my case, my bold wall color. And while you might be going for a more sophisticated autumn interior look, don't forget the most fun part of the season, my personal favorite holiday, Halloween. I can never resist a few spooky touches with my favorite holiday of Halloween, and you may not think of Etsy as the go-to for food items, but you would be surprised because there are dozens of amazing sellers on the platform making tasty little treats that aren't just delicious, but they're super creative and of course cute. So I think of traditional autumn flavors when incorporating this to my home. So I'm thinking about pumpkin, cinnamon, apple, or ciders. All of these things with traditional twists though. So I want you to maybe think about some DIY options like mulling spices or different food kits where you can get all of the ingredients in one package for you to make in your own kitchen to create your own magic. And spending time with my loved ones and trying new recipes is one of my favorite things to do without a doubt during the fall season. And of course, I can't forget to tell you to spice up that tablescape with some fun autumnal touches. So think about those textiles and of course, beautiful ceramics to punch it up a notch. Getting ready for fall makes me want to do one thing, and that is get cozy, especially as the temperatures start to drop and the nights get longer. It's important to stock your home with all of the woolly, fuzzy, and snuggly things that are going to make you feel good at the end of a long day. And the great thing is that on Etsy, you can find sellers who will customize your favorite fall accessories just for you, all right? And that means they come in your favorite color. You can pick a super chunky yarn or even find a sweater that's hand knit just for you and your exact measurements. And yes, this autumn, it's finally time to update that throw blanket. This is your sofa must-have, all right? I think earth tones are the perfect pick this season to lean into comfort and calm. I'm calm already just sitting here. And I think there's the other thing, the scents, all right? So think those pumpkin spices, the vanillas, the cinnamon, the wood smokes. They all make a room feel like fall the moment you enter. And it's easy to find your signature seasonal scent on Etsy. Be sure to check out these fall finds and so much more on your autumn shopping destination, Etsy.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great fall season. See you later.